Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in this video I'll show you on how to see all activities in your Google account without any stress on your PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you're following new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right there, click on this profile icon, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to go to manage your Google account. Let's go to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to go to security right here, click on that, and it take you right here. Right here, click on see detail. Under your account is protected. Then right here you have recent security activities. So you can simply click on here and check activity from the last 28 days. Now you have sign in step added passkey right here. So Windows, Nigerian, and you are going to see the time of the activity. Then the next thing you can do right there is to click on see unfamiliar activity. Let us secure your account. If there is a recent activity that you do not recognize, someone else might have your password or change your password to protect your account, you will be signed out on all the devices except the one that you are using now. So if the activities right here is not recognized, this particular activity here, if you notice that you are not the one that used it to log into your Google account, simply click on see on activities familiar and click on change password, enter your new password, and then you are good to go. Your account is going to be saved. So make sure that every time you check your Google account activities login is very much important to maintain your account security. And lastly, make sure you turn on two-factor authentication for your Google account in order to protect your account from hacker. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply check your Google account activities and what are the actions you can take into consideration if you see any unfamiliar activities on your Google account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.